Hi guys, it's Abigail. Welcome back to Journey to Disney. Today I'm going to be showing you my pin haul from when I was on holiday. So this is literally everything. I don't know what is even here right now, so we're just going to go through it and see what we come to. I don't know what I'm picking up. I'm just going to pick up pins and go through them. This was actually a zap from somebody that I know on Facebook. He was the person that directed me to the lady that was selling the Lichtenstein Alice's, and he asked me which pins did I purchase, and I said that I had inquired about this one, but he had purchased it just before me, and I was like, oh no, and then he so kindly sent it to me, and I cried a little bit because I don't get zaps like this particularly often, and I was so upset and chuffed and happy, and I'd had a really bad day when I found out that he had sent this, so thank you so much because it really did make my day. But I'm going to show you how this pin is. So it's the Mad Teacups, obviously, and you have Alice and she spins, and then you have Dormouse and he slides up and down. I don't have many sliders of this design. Normally it's the rivet that moves, but it's actually Dormouse in this, so I need to be careful so that he doesn't break. But this is a limited edition of 1500. Let's see what I've got next. Okay, I'm gonna pick these up together for a reason. I entered a raffle and I won the raffle, and it was for 2 pins. And so I picked Wendy and Peter because I wanted this cluster and I couldn't find it. So I was really happy because, like I said, I don't have the best of luck with these things. I've been in the raffles for 3-4 years, and I could probably count on 2 hands the amount of pins that I've won, but then I kind of had a winning streak and it kind of started to go really well. So I picked these up in the raffle and I'm really pleased. I don't know if I'm going to keep Wendy because I'm not a fan of this pin, but we will see what I do with it. Okay, I don't know who this is. When we was on holiday, we went to the soda fountain and the Ghirardelli chocolate store. We got a Pin Trader Delight, which is an ice cream and a pin, and this was the only one left, so I was really bummed because I was hoping that it would flip by the time we went, and it just didn't. But never mind. I think, is this Haley from Doc McStuffins? Maybe it will tell me on the back. I don't know. No, it doesn't tell me. I think it's Haley from Doc McStuffins, but I genuinely have no idea. If you don't know what Doc McStuffins is, it's a kids program. That's as much as I know about it. But the Pin Trader Delights come in these really awesome backing cards with the ice cream on them, and I really like the backing cards because they're different to all the other backing cards. Oh, yes. So my friend helped me purchase these cameos. These are annual pass holder pins. So there's Aurora and Maleficent, Alice and Hatter, and Peter and Hook. Now, I already had Alice and Hatter because I traded for them, so I think I'm going to put these and these in my trade bag, but I was after this for Peter and Hook, and they're going to go in my keeper bag, and I was really pleased to still find these because these were the edition from 2016, so these have been around for 2 years and they've still got them in stock. When we went into San Francisco, we went to the Walt Disney Family Museum, and they had these on sale. These are the Mary Blair, I believe, pins. So they were half price. Anyway, there wasn't a great selection in the Walt Disney Family Museum, which I was a little bit disappointed by because I was told they had great pins and they didn't. The other pin that I picked up from the museum was this, which is going to go into my keeper bag. Like I said, I like to collect locations of places that we've been, do pins, especially Disney related pins. So this one is going to go in my keeper bag. It's very simple, but I like it, and you can't go wrong with Mickey Mouse, can you? Oh, here's our hotel pin. So we stayed in the Disneyland Hotel, and it was really hard to find this pin, actually. I couldn't find this in the hotel. I found this in the Pin Trader post, or whatever it is called, near the monorail. I don't know if you can see. Look at Tinkerbell's eye in this. She's missing an eye. Ah! That is so scary. I didn't realise that when I picked that up. Tink, what happened? Anyway, this is gonna go into my hotel collection. I'm gonna show you these lanyards. So I've got 4 of these because we're a family of 4. But because we stayed in the e-ticket club, which is the club level of the Disneyland hotel, you get a lanyard and a pin, and they give you a voucher that you then have to go and redeem at one of their named stores. So they will put on the back of the voucher where you can redeem it. And this was the pin that we ended up with, and I really like it, but I don't need 3 lanyards, 4 lanyards. I'm gonna keep 1, and I'm gonna keep 1 pin, and the other 3 are gonna go in my trade set because none of these would fit into the lanyard for my husband or my kids' stuff. The good thing is though that they asked me how many we needed, and they gave me 4, so even my youngest managed to get a lanyard. So that's really good. Oh, this one was really good. I met up with a bunch of pin friends when we went to Disneyland. And one of them I met in Monterey, and we traded for this. I still need to send out my end of the trade, but she knows it's coming, and it's a piece of Disney movie with Dormouse in it. Look how lovely that scene is. Isn't that cute? I've been hunting for a piece of Disney movie Alice for a little while. I don't really want to admit to how long I've been looking for one of these, but I'm really fussy about the scenes, and I think you can be fussy with the scenes because some of them are really, really bad. But I think this is one of the nicest Dormouse ones I've seen. So we traded for it, and this is going into my... Oh, this was another raffle win. The storybooks, I think they came out last year. I have the Alice one of these, but since I decided to expand my Peter, I wanted the Peter one, and I won it. So winning streak was going really well. Now it's going really badly. Oh yes. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up 2 pins because these were both wins as well in raffles. Like I said to you, the heroines have been absolutely insane. They release between 5 and 7, and it's a surprise release. You don't know which day it's gonna happen, and they're only available to purchase from cast members, and then cast members are supposed to trade them out and stuff. So they're only available at Mickey's of Glendale. I entered a couple of raffles and I got to pick. So I picked Pocahontas because I think that she was the prettiest out of some of the ones in the set she was released with, and Vanellope because it's Vanellope. You can't go wrong with Vanellope. She's such an awesome character. She's so headstrong. They're not my main collections, so I won't be keeping them. I think that was where my winning streak ended. And then I had a friend that gifted me these 2 guys. So this is the magical timepiece with Cheshire on it, and it's got the little clock inside. It doesn't move, but it's really nice. It's like really solid, kind of metallic. And she also gifted me the Pin Trader Delight Dormouse. Now I know this isn't the right backing card. She knows it's not the right backing card, but I'm not too fussed about it. I just need to finish getting the Pin Trader Delights for my Alice collection. I was zapped this with a pin that I purchased. The purchase pin I don't have here because I actually gifted it to one of my friend's children for their Wreck-It Ralph collection. But this was the zap that came with it, and I'm keeping this for my husband's lanyard, so I'm going to put it on. He's got a superhero lanyard that I've put together for him, so it has like Iron Man, it has Thor, so Guardians of the Galaxy is going to go on that, and I'm really excited because his lanyard is now getting really full. And this was the final set of pins that I got. My friend picked these up for me from, I think it was Target. These are the same as those Primark pins. They're licensed, they're technically tradable. They're just not as nice as actual Disney pins because they pop out a lot of them very, very quickly. So that was my full pin haul for my holiday. It's the middle of May right now, so I am waiting until the end of May to do my May haul because I think I have some more pins coming. So make sure you check back next month for my May pin haul. Bye!